What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video, and today we're going to continue with my Yukon on a gas tank relocation, and this is going to be part 2. Now if you didn't watch the video on part 1, I got the gas tank mounted up with the filler neck and the gas pump installed. So today we're going to take off the original gas tank out, and we're going to try and see if we could connect the fuel lines and extend the wiring harness to the fuel pump from the 2-door tank. So let's jump into it, guys. Alright guys, so there's the tank mounted up, and I have the truck already on the ramps. And guys, this is where the gas tank is located at. So let's start taking it off and see what we find. Alright guys, as y'all can see, we got the gas tank out, disconnected everything. Big difference, guys. Look at that big gas tank compared to this one. And also, look at all the room that it was taking. But guys, there's two problems that I saw already. One, the gas lines are not going to reach, and also the connections to the fuel pump is different than the 2-door one. So more than likely I'm gonna have to hit the junkyard again, see if I could find the lines that run all the way to the fuel filter, and see if I can find another connection to it. So yeah. What is up, guys? It is currently the next day. I just got back from the junkyard and I picked up some goodies. I found the plug for the fuel pump, and I also found the vents that go into the gas tank. And now guys, I didn't get the fuel lines because I got some fittings, some fuel lines fittings that just connect to the gas line. And from here I'm just going to run a 5/16 fuel line to where those lines are. So I already cut the original plug, and you can see the difference, guys. So yeah, let's jump back into it, guys. Alright guys, quick update. I already extended the wiring harness for the fuel pump, and it's all connected and everything. It's already grounded right there, connected right there, and then I zip tied it to the existing harness that was already there. So it's looking good. So there it is. The wiring harness is already connected. Now I gotta jump and do the vents, and then I gotta go back to the automotive store and get the 5/16 fuel line so we could connect it. So ahí la llevamos poco a poco. It's getting together, guys, and it's almost there. Guys, another quick update. The vents are installed with the line, and the gas lines are connected. They're not tightened yet, they're just hand tight right now, and they're running all along on the frame rail. Now guys, all I need is some fuel lines or some fuel hoses, and I'll be able to connect the lines, and it should be able to start, you know. So I gotta go to the auto parts store and try to see if they have 5/16 fuel hoses so I could connect, and then pour some gas and then try to start it, guys. So she's almost there. Alright guys, so it's been a couple of days of me searching for the fuel hoses and nobody had it in stock. So I ordered it online and it's just arrived. I was tying up the hose clamps, and then the fuel lines, they're already tightened, but we're gonna continue try to wrap it up, and all I need is to connect these lines to the existing fuel lines, and then we can pour some gas and start it. These are the fittings, the fuel fittings, and this is the line, guys, and it's gonna go like this. Like that. Guys, and it's fuel hose. It's meant for the fuel. It's not no regular hose. So we're gonna do everything right on this truck. So we're just gonna tighten it up. And we're gonna connect it. Alright, we're gonna do the other one. Same thing. And then we're gonna tighten it up. Alright guys, y'all can see the fuel hoses are connected. Also with that one over there. I still have to take care of that, get it all nice, but it's all connected. And now time to pour some gas and see if it's gonna start. Alright guys, so we got the fuel hoses wrapped up and everything. Now it's time to pour some gas and let's see if it starts. Now the old gas tank did have some gas left over, so I just swapped it over and I'm gonna pour it in. Fingers crossed, guys. Hopefully it starts. This is 2 gallons, guys. Should be more than enough to get the truck started. Alright guys, moment of truth. Cross our fingers that it starts. Also guys, before I started, I did the double din conversion on it. Another upgrade that I did. So I'm going to turn it on into the on position 2-3 times. You know, let it build pressure, and then I'll start it. I could already hear the fuel pump. Alright guys. There y'all have it, guys. Super excited. She's on. I'm just gonna check, make sure there's no leaks from the lines. And I already see one, guys. It's over there. So I'm gonna turn it off and see where it's coming from, and we're gonna fix it. Well, it was leaking from one of the lines where the fitting was. So, you know, I turned it off and I got under there. It wasn't tying all the way, so that was my fault. I just tightened it back up, gave it a couple more turns, and let's try it again. So let's turn it on for the second time. As y'all can see, it's not leaking anymore. So she's good to go, guys. There it is, guys. She's running on the 2-door gas tank, guys. That's the original one. This is the 2-door. And she's running on it, guys. I'm just gonna let her run for a little bit, you know, make sure there's no more leaks or anything. I'm just gonna be checking it, and I'm gonna clean, you know, some of this mess right here. Probably zip tied or something, but there it is, guys. 2-door gas tank on a 4-door. Don't believe anybody that tells you it can't be done, because it can. I had so many people doubting me that said it couldn't be done. You can't fit a 2-door tank on a 4-door, and it can, guys. And here it is. Now we can focus on the drop kit, guys. There's literally nothing on the way of me doing the flip kit and dropping it. So that's next, guys, and stay tuned. But for today, guys, that's gonna be it. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, guys. And here it is, 2-door gas tank on a 4-door.